So why did cryptocurrency actually exist in the first place? And why did someone create Bitcoin? For a very long time, money has actually been controlled by banks and the government. That means your money could suffer inflation, that is reduced in value, that is in purchasing strength over time. And sometimes trying to do cross-border payments, you may have issues, and sometimes someone could wake up and just freeze your account for no reason. And the biggest of all problems, a ton and millions and a good number of people never have access to those banks. And that is where crypto comes in to solve that problem. It ensured that people could send money, exchange value without permission and without the banks. And it ensured that your money over time could grow in value. And it aids people to build apps, to have access to money. And the greatest of all, people really wanted freedom, control, and transparency of their money. And that is where cryptocurrency comes in. And that is why if you follow me close in this 30 days challenge, I'm going to show you and hold your hand all through. Stay close to Crypto-Fotismós, where we'll break crypto down to the smallest molecules. Catch you in the next video.